An ideal way to journey through the amazing kaleidoscope of India and its fabled history with its rough terrain and difficult connections is by a luxury train. The journey through India is now made much more memorable with the finest and the newest luxury train India has to offer, Mahaра자스 Express. The train operates between the months of October and April and is also available for charters. An experience of a lifetime. The journey on Mahaра자스 Express, a train almost half a mile long, brings one closer to the bygone era of imperial India. The first train to operate on pan-India itineraries, Mahaра자스 Express interiors are designed to recreate the elegance and affluence of the erstwhile Maharajas of India, whereas the contemporary amenities and impeccable service ensure that a lavish stay akin to 5-star hotels is offered on board this luxury train. State-of-the-art amenities and tastefully curated itineraries enable Mahaра자스 Express to present India in a way never seen before. The unmatched ambiance and luxurious decor with features and unique facilities previously unseen in any luxury tourist train, such as satellite television with DVD player, online water filtration systems, complimentary wireless internet access, direct international dial telephone facility in each passenger cabin, pneumatic suspension system for superior ride comfort, provide a royal odyssey on board. The Mahaра자스 Express features 4 categories of accommodation with most spacious cabins and washrooms across all categories, having flat twin or double beds, CCTV cameras in public areas, electronic smoke detection systems, radio frequency identification door locks, centralized public address system, and round-the-clock security for the safety of the guests. With no hassle of daily packing and unpacking, the train offers comprehensive packages on full board basis with excursions inclusive of all entrance and camera fees, transport in luxury vehicles, off-board meals with opportunity to meet royal families, services of experienced tour directors on board the train, round-the-clock paramedic on board, 24/7 valet service for each car, complimentary tea, coffee, mineral water and light snacks available at all times, and not to miss the unlimited complimentary service of house pours of wine, spirits and beers. Sightseeing vehicles are equipped with complimentary kits like bottle coolers, candies, tissues, and shoe uppers. After all, when it comes to providing comfort to royals, every little detail matters. For setting new standards of comfort and style, and ushering in a new era of travel and hospitality, Mahaра자스 Express was adjudged world's leading luxury train consecutively for 2 years in 2012 and 2013 by World Travel Awards. The train has 14 guest carriages featuring 43 cabins in total, each named after precious gems, including 20 deluxe cabins, 18 junior suites, 4 suites, and 1 truly classical presidential suite that stretches the length of an entire carriage. Each opulent deluxe car consists of 4 twin or double bed cabins with attached baths. The junior suite cars, on the other hand, consist of 3 spacious twin or double bed cabins and a cozy sitting area. Each suite car consists of 2 sprawling suites with separate living and bedroom areas. Guests staying in the suites even enjoy the extra luxury of a well-stocked minibar and an elegant bathtub. The presidential suite is exceptionally grand with its 2 bedrooms, a large living room, and a cozy bathtub. The ceiling is decorated with a striking star light, which adds a gorgeous twinkle to the magnificent suite's allure. Guests opting for suites or the presidential suite enjoy the provision of separate luxury car and professional language-speaking guides during excursions. Each train journey comfortably accommodates a total of 88 passengers. Every cabin has specially designed large panoramic windows so that the guests can savor every bit of magnificent India. All passenger cars come with hair dryers, in-room electronic safety lockers, spacious wardrobes, writing tables, fire extinguishers, luggage hold underneath the bed, modern washrooms with running hot and cold water, and a range of luxury toiletries made of essential oils. A sumptuous banquet for royal passengers, the Maharaja's Express features a pair of fine dining restaurants, decked out in vibrant colors that each seat 42 people, and everyone on board dines together with piped music in the background. Mayur Mahal, named and themed after India's very own graceful national bird, the peacock, with a hand-blown glass ceiling, and Rang Mahal, which literally means the palace of colors, with colorful hand-painted fresco ceiling, offer menus comprising of a mix of Indian and international cuisines to suit different palates. Guests can also choose a suitable wine pairing from a wide selection available on board. For added zest, the Maharaja's Express also features 2 bars, a lounge bar, the Raja Club, and the other a theme bar, Safari Bar. Both the bars provide comfortable and relaxed sitting arrangements to complement the exquisite range of wines and spirits, allowing you to unwind and lighten up. For those who wish to be left alone, we provide a select collection of books on Indian art, culture, and history. And for those who love to socialize, we do have a few board games to play and have fun with. And for the corporate travelers who want to combine business and leisure on board the Maharaja's Express, we can organize a suitable setup for meetings at the Safari Bar for up to 25 guests. This bar also serves as a venue for festive events. The bars are the best places on the train to unwind, relax, rejuvenate, and engage in a leisurely conversation with fellow travelers. The Raja Club also has a boutique called the Sanduk that offers memorabilia where guests can shop for exquisite and unique creations. The on-board culinary team consistently transcends the gastronomic expectations of all types of palates and is ever ready to dish out delicacies even from Oriental cuisines on demand. Even the cakes for guests celebrating special occasions are prepared on board. At every station stop, red carpets roll out along the platforms. Local musicians with swaying dancers serenade the guests' arrival with a showering of flower petals. Turbaned attendants bow in greeting, bright in their gold and saffron uniforms. Girls attired in richly colored saris welcome guests with garlands and vermilion. The incredible itineraries of Maharaja's Express include exotic experiences such as interaction with the royal family at one of the largest dinosaur fossil parks in Balasinor, exploring the erotic temples of Khajuraho, participating in an exhibition elephant polo match in Jaipur, enjoying sundowner cocktails on the sand dunes of Bikaner, enjoying a champagne breakfast overlooking the immortal beauty of the Taj Mahal, riding a boat on the Ganges in the holy city of Varanasi, and much, much more. Visit the shimmering lake city of Udaipur and the majestic fort at Jodhpur. Spot the elusive tiger in Ranthambore National Park. Soak up the spectacular regal heritage of Rajasthan in its magnificent forts, vibrant bazaars, and the royal cuisine. Every day our guests explore the major attractions of a new destination and participate in gala events designed exclusively for Maharaja's guests. There are choices at an additional cost at every stop for activities and excursions including spa days at 5-star hotels, private shopping tours, city sightseeing trips, and golf. Each morning, the train arrives at a different station for off-board excursions, including visits to monuments, heritage sites, shopping locations, palaces, forts, and hotels.